Have a need to put your DVD player, your cable box, or your Roku box, your Apple TV underneath the TV. So Condomounts has this solution, a shelving solution that we can install below the TV, any TV, to put all this stuff underneath, right? And who doesn't have storage? Who doesn't have a sound bar? You can put all those things as well under your TV to make your media hub much more elegant. So I'm going to show you now what is inside this box and how to put this below the TV. It's not going to take you much time. So we're going to open the box. Anyone has a knife here? Just going to open the sticker, I guess. Okay, perfect. Okay, inside here is 2 glass shelves like that, and you can also install this on a wall. The toggle bolts are provided. All the screws are provided for a wall as well. But what we're going to show you today is working it on a pillar. So this is the bracket that we're going to use, and you would have received a strap which is underneath here. And going to the strap is long because it's made for any size pillar, but you can put it on any pillar more than 3 inches, and the strap is too long, you can cut it off according to your needs. So the TV is here. We're going to put the strap, we're going to put the mount right here. Okay, so we have this mount in white and black. This is the white version. So, and we also have a black version with black glass. So this is what we have here is the white. So after you've put this on, this is the piece that goes on the mount itself. So I'm going to put that right here, this way. And in this box, this set of screws. So for the shelf, we got to put this plastic thing at the bottom. Okay, put this on top. Once you have installed this part, we want to install the bottom shelf first. How we do that is we're going to put this rubber piece and then put the shelf. Right, so the rubber piece, the shelf, and then the screw washer, the metal washer over the plastic washer. Put this black piece at the bottom and then hold the shelf on it and screw the bottom piece in. Okay, so the top is done, and then you put in this cable management thing. It slits right into the bracket. Okay, and then we're going to put the top glass, the plastic piece, and then these 2 screws with metal washers and plastic washers. That just goes right there on top. This one needs some patience, so you got right into the hole and then you tighten that. This is tempered glass and it can hold up to 40 pounds. Okay, once that is tightened, you can put anything there. You can also use it for like an iPad or soundbar, whatever that you want to use. You have to use for your system.